Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that actually matter. This saves time. First, swap to fresh AA or a fully charged battery, pack so voltage sag isn't the culprit. Once done, power cycle both the console and the controller, shut both down for 30 seconds, and restart to clear temporary firmware glitches. Then, reduce wireless interference. Move at least 2 to 3 feet away from routers, microwaves, or metal stands, because radio noise easily causes random drops. Now you tackle software and pairing. This is where most hidden issues lie. Update the controller firmware through Xbox settings or the accessories app. Firmware fixes timing and reconnection bugs. Next, repair the controller by connecting with a USB cable, letting the system install drivers, and then attempt wireless pairing again to ensure a clean handshake. If you're on PC, make sure Bluetooth or USB drivers are current. When possible, use an official USB receiver for a steadier link. Finish with hardware verification and a last resort sequence. Inspect the USB cable, console port, and battery contacts for corrosion, dirt, or looseness. Replace any damaged cables because intermittent contact causes drops. Test the controller on a second console or PC to determine whether the controller or the host is failing. If all else fails, back up profiles and perform a console factory reset. And one key troubleshooting tip: if the controller still disconnects,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.